Somebody's first time seeing a deer. I don't think he knows what to do with himself.
Bubba? Bubba? Boy, you're hard-headed. You're a good boy, Carson.
Right outside the window, if you can see it, or some deer.
Are there? Oh.
Yep. And I'm pretty sure this is his first time seeing a deer. He's like, what the hell? He's scared. Or he wants to go kill, one of the two. No, Sony wants to go chase. And the deer don't give a damn. There's one staring at him right now. That's so funny. It's probably mom giving him the stare down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you go out there, buddy. Guess what? They would kick your ass. You ain't strong enough to take on no damn herd of deer. You may think you're a wolf, but you ain't. And even the wolves would get their asses beat a bit.
We have always telling them we don't chase deer around here, just bunnies.
Yep.
Oh, they're leaving.
There's Grumpy Carson, still not quite used to the guy yet. These are the two I was talking about with the outside video. Pete's starting to warm up. He's our little master puppy on the couch there. But Carson here, he doesn't get much video time. He doesn't want to be in videos. He likes to be by himself. But that poor guy's been in a cage for 7 years. So it takes him time to warm up to anything. Heck, it took him 6 months with me. But still no ill will. He just giving a warning saying stay away. I don't like you. Well, one deer left, but there's still one out there.
There's one over here yet, too.
I can see deer up there yet.
I see him walking down the dirt. Oh, there. Bubba?
Yeah, he doesn't know what to do with the deer. You know they'd scatter if we let him out the back door. And he just might jump a fence.
Yeah.
We don't know him that well yet, even though it's a 5-foot fence. Predator prey crap. We got baby steps with the guy.
They're walking up the hill by the big rock now.
There's still two sitting out here in the driveway. I can see him on video.
And there's one right here now. Are you interested?
Yeah, it's probably 3 babies. Get down. And there they go. They took off. The deer are gone now.